Working with an interpreter. Educators should use the Talking Points app for quick messages to families when possible. This is a tool that facilitates translated text messages between families and schools. Actual interpreters can be used for initial reception and registration with a newcomer family, assistance with parent or guardian interviews, discussing a student's progress with parent or guardian, and facilitating parent engagement and participation. Please try to give plenty of notice when requesting an interpreter. Unfortunately, we are not permitted to use school-funded interpreters for students' medical appointments, even if their diagnosis is related to learning challenges. Please let parents and guardians know that they can request that their physician book an interpreter for their appointment. Phone message relays are a fast way to get information to families who do not have the ability to use the Talking Points app. Three-way phone calls with interpreters, families, and educators can be used for longer conversations with families. Google Meets can be used to facilitate conversations for families with the technology to use this platform. Be sure to allow enough time for your interview. Remember that every statement is being said twice. Introduce everyone present at the meeting and explain the role of the interpreter. Speak directly to the parent or guardian using first-person language. For example, ask the parent, "What do you think about?" instead of asking the interpreter what the parent thinks about something. Avoid excessive use of educational jargon, slang, or idioms. Say the same thing using different words if needed. Pause for interpretation after every 3 to 4 sentences. Have only one person speak at a time and avoid side conversations. The interpreter should interpret everything that is said at the meeting. At the end of the meeting, please remember to thank the interpreter and the parent or guardian for their time. Thank you for being an educator who helps to ensure that our families have equitable access to important school information.